Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Mataji is coming in 1 minute. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm bringing. Right now. Yeah. Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna, everybody. Welcome to the class. Happy to see you all.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
I see Krishna, Vrinda, Prahalad, Raghav, Ayansh, Soumya, Tanvi.
Mataji, Mukunda made a painting. He wants
Oh, nice.
Yeah, so this is the living entity.
What is that?
This is the living entity.
Uh-huh.
And it's a dot. That is Krishna.
Wow.
So this line net is material nature.
Uh-huh.
Both are material nature. And
Nice.
we are trapped on the net, like the material nature.
What is that? Around? Say loudly.
The net. The three material.
The net.
Yeah.
Oh,
so the living entity is trapped on the net. And
yes.
then this dot is Krishna.
Uh-huh. Yes.
He is seeing this.
Yes. Very beautiful. Yeah. Very nice. You know how to come out of this net, Mukunda? How to get out of this net?
Service. By worshipping Lord Krishna.
When we surrender to the lotus feet of the Lord, when we take up to devotional service, right?
Mataji.
Yes.
Mataji.
Yes.
Is that art?
Yes, Mukunda made it. He was explaining very beautifully the soul and the super soul Krishna and the whole network.
Mataji,
That was amazing painting.
Mataji,
Yeah. Yeah, Krishna.
I actually had drawn a picture of baby Hanuman. Can I share?
Oh, nice. Okay, you can show it.
Wait, I'll just off my background.
Mm-hmm.
I also drawn Mataji. Something. Wow.
Nice.
Nice.
Hanuman? Yeah, Krishna also likes it. It's very beautiful. Very nice.
So cute.
Yes, it is cute. Yes. And yes, so Tanvi, Dina Krishna, Mathili, Tristan, Anvi, everybody has joined. So nice to see you all.
Can I show something?
Yes, you can also show. No problem. Ayansh has joined. Okay, tomorrow morning we will have a japa session. We will not have a class tomorrow. Everybody, we will not have a class tomorrow. We will have a class on Sunday.
Mataji, I don't think so. I will be able to join tomorrow.
No problem. Japa session is in the morning, early morning, 7:30, 7:40, 7:45.
I don't think so. I will join this.
No problem. Whatever you feel comfortable, beta. That's okay. And evening class tomorrow is cancelled, but definitely Sunday we will have a class.
Okay,
The
Sunday.
Shloka class.
Mataji, wait, we have no class tomorrow?
No, not in the evening, but Tanvi, if you want to join us, 1 minute, beta. Tanvi, you can join us for japa class in the morning.
What
You
is
wanna join
japa?
us? When you come tomorrow, I'll show you. We all chant Hare Krishna Maha Mantra on the beads. Do you have beads?
What's beats?
Okay, so I'll arrange it. I'll arrange, okay? Not a problem. Meantime, you can join too. Yes.
See, the Japa conference is too early for me.
I know some zones are little early, but yeah, EST.
Atlanta.
Prahlad, who said? Prahlad said?
Janvi said.
Yeah, tomorrow is 7:30 to 8:30. That's not early. Come on. It's not 4:30 in the morning. Yes.
I don't know if I can wake up that early.
Okay, no problem. It's okay. How do you make it better?
In our state, it's
It's too early for me because I'm in San Diego, California.
Yeah, I know. California people, it is early. Yes. No. Okay.
Picture.
Okay, you can.
I'm a
show.
time.
This is my picture.
Wow!
That is very much picture.
Wow. So beautiful. Did you draw this, Karima? Yeah, I do it and I color it.
Yes. Yes.
And for us, it's 6:30.
Yeah, I know it's early for certain zones and I feel very bad.
For us,
Maybe-
it is 5:07.
Yeah, maybe in future we'll work something out. Not sure. Let's see. I know it's
For us,
early.
it's around 4.
Yeah. Okay, so let's quickly start with the prayers. Come on, everybody. Om Ajnana Timirandasya Jnananjana Chakshurunmilitam Yena Tasmai Gurave Namah Chaitanya Manobishtam Stapitam Yena Bhutale Swayam Rupa Kadamahyam Dadati Swapadantikam Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Yudhakamalam Shri Gurun Vaishnavamscha Shri Rupam Sagrajatam Sahagana Raghunathanvitam Tam Sajivam Sadvaitam Savadutam Parijana Sahitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Shri Radha Krishna Padan Sahagana Lalita Vishakhan He Krishna Karuna Sindhu Dinabandhu Jagatpate Gopesha Gopika Kanta Radha Kanta Namostute Gaurangi Radhe Devi Pranamami Hare Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shivasadi Gaura Bhaktavrinda Hare Krishna Hare Hare
Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Jai.
Jai.
Dev ki Jai. All
Jai.
little Vaishnavas ki Jai.
Happy
I see Ayansh is hiding somewhere from his mommy and daddy. Ayansh, where are you hiding, beta? Are you playing peekaboo? Yeah. I see you're somewhere under like a curtain or a bed.
The table looks
crib.
like.
Huh?
Look at the table. Oh, I think I know
It's a
which
table.
room.
I
Which
see.
room he is in? I know because I visited his house.
Okay, so I know your hiding place now. Okay, next time I'll catch you.
Mataji,
Yes, yes,
Happy Akshay Tritiya today. Happy Akshay Tritiya today.
yes. Happy Akshay Tritiya to everyone.
What is
Yes, Akshay Tritiya has lot of significance.
It's a
Lot of important
The
past
day
and
when
present.
Durga came.
Mataji,
Yes, yes,
did you know what verse is today? I don't know.
yes. So today is verse number 15 and 16. Yesterday we already discussed the meaning of 15 and we're going to go for verse 16 explanation first. Okay. Anek chitta vibhranta moha jala samavritaha prasaptaha kama bhogeshu patanti narakeshu chau. Krishna is saying, so what happens to them, those who have demonic mentality? Yesterday we discussed what do they think, how do they think. So now what is the result when they have a thinking like that? Thus perplexed by various anxieties and bound by a network of... Okay, everybody now pay attention. Bound by a network of illusions, they become too strongly attached to sense enjoyment and fall down into hell. Do they go to Brahmaloka, Goloka,
They
Vaikuntha
go to a
planets?
royal road to hell.
Where do they go? They go to
A royal road to hell.
yes, hell. They all go to hell. So Srila Prabhupada explains very beautifully that the demoniac man doesn't know any limit to his desire to acquire money. He thinks I have to make more and more and more. Now he doesn't. Yes, more money. He is enamored by the possessions he has already, such as land, family, house, bank balance. He's always planning, how can I make it better? How can I make it more better? And what he believes, that I am the doer. He believes in his own strength. He does not know that whatever good things he has gotten, it is because of his past life, good deeds in his past life. He simply thinks that because he has worked hard, so he has made money. He doesn't believe in the law of karma. According to law of karma, now Srila Prabhupada talks very important thing. Srila Prabhupada says, according to the law of karma, a man takes birth in a high family, or a man becomes rich or very well educated. Means a person is IT, he's a doctor, he's an engineer, he's a well-to-do, he's a researcher, he's a very good sportsman, he's very wealthy to do, he's learned, he's a scientist, he's a philosopher. A man takes his birth in a high family or becomes rich, or he's very beautiful. Why? Because of himself? He made himself beautiful?
No, because
Did you all paint your face beautifully? How to look beautiful? Krishna gave you all beautiful face, beautiful body, beautiful parents, amazing house, amazing luxuries, right? So why? Krishna says, because of good work in the past life, everybody has performed good deeds. But you know what demoniac think? They think all these things are accidental. I have created all this because I work hard. That's why I deserve all this. And I have made it myself. So, and anyone who is in competition with them becomes their enemy. So now another thing, each demoniac person, what does he think? He think that, okay, demoniac preacher tells his followers, why are you looking for the God somewhere else? You yourself are God. You yourself are God. Come on. There's no God around. Whatever you like, you can do. And don't believe in God. Throw away God. God is dead. These are demoniac preachings.
Ew.
What kind of preachings are these? Demoniac. And they also do not believe in performing yajna, sacrifices, austerities. They think we will create our own process of yajna, like Ravan. Ravan, he actually used to tell his people, his citizens of the kingdom, he said, you know what? I would prepare a staircase so that anyone could reach the heavenly planet by that staircase. You don't have to perform sacrifices or yajna or everything written in the Vedas. So Srila Prabhupada said these kind of people ultimately, especially the demonic mentality people, they go towards hell. And here the word jala, jala means net. Like fish is caught in a net, they are also caught in this net. They have no way to come out. Did you all get it?
I accidentally put this.
That's okay. That's okay. So let's go for verse number 15.
16. Okay.
Adhyo. No, it's actually Adhyo. Bhijanvan asmi. Bhijanvanasmi. Adyo Bhijanvanasmi. Adyo Bhijanvanasmi. Adyo Bhijanvanasmi. Adyo Bhijanvanasmi. आढ्योऽभिजनवान् अस्मि very good Ponyosti. Okay, everybody, do you all see apostrophes there before N and before S? It is actually silent A. So it's actually Anyo Asti. But when we speak Sanskrit, we say Konyosti. Konyosti. Sadrisho Maya. So how many bears are sleeping here today?
Not me.
I see certain bears, sleepy bears. My cute little pink bears and blue bears are sleeping. Okay, so I need to hear everybody. Otherwise, I'll think all are gone, sleeping in La La Land. Went to clouds. Okay, come on. Konyosti sadrisho maya. Konyosti sadrisho maya. Konyosti sadrisho maya. Konyosti sadrisho maya. Yakshe Asye. Okay, everybody, don't go before me. Yakshe dasyami modisya. Yakshe dasyami modisya. I cannot hear Mathili. I cannot hear certain kids today. So I need to hear everybody. Subhadra, Giridhari, I cannot hear you. Come on, loudly, beta. Yes. Beta.
Can you hear me?
Okay, yes, I can hear you.
Can
Yes.
you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Can you hear me?
Yakshe dasyami modishya. Yakshe dasyami modishya. Yakshe dasyami modishya. Ityajnana. 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 Vimohitaha. 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 Ityajnana vimohitaha. Ityajnana vimohitaha. Ityajnana vimohitaha. Okay, everybody. So let's pay attention just 1 minute here. So
Like that.
give me 1 second. Okay, so word adhyah. Adhyah means wealthy. Abhijanvan means surrounded by aristocratic relatives. Asmi, I am. Kaha, who? Anyaha, other. Asti, there is. Sadrashah, like. Maya, me. Remember yesterday we discussed there is none so powerful and happy as I am, right? And I am the richest man. I am surrounded by all rich relatives. Yakshye, yakshye means I shall sacrifice. Dasyami, dasyami means I shall give. Give what? Charity. Dasyami. Like remember that shloka? Yad karoshi yadashnasi yad bhoshi dadasi yad tapasyasya so dadami means give away. Yes. So here here is I shall give some charity. Dasyami, modishya means I shall enjoy, rejoice. Agyana means by ignorance, deluded. Adhyo bhijanavanasmi. Konyosti sadrisho maya. Yakshye dasyami modishya.
Yakshye dasyami modishya.
Ityajnana vimohitaha.
Ityajnana vimoditaha.
Adhyo bhijanavanasmi.
Adhyo bhijanavasini.
Konyosti sadrisho maya.
Monyosi sadrisho maya.
Yakshye dasyami modishya.
Yakshayani shibodishya.
Ityajnana vimohitaha.
Ityajnana vimoditaha.
Next verse, everybody. What is it? What is the question?
That is doing 16 the words.
Yeah, 16 verse now.
But you didn't explain the words.
No, I already explained 16:1 and 15:1 I explained yesterday because 13, 14, 15 translation was together.
I didn't
I'll explain you
hear.
later. Let's go 16. Aneka chitta. Everybody unmute. Come on. Aneka chitta.
Aneka chitta.
Vibhranta. Aneka chitta vibhranta. Ek means numerous, many, plenty. And chitta means by anxieties. These kind of people are surrounded by what? By happiness? No, anxieties. They are worried all the time. They have so much anxiety. Vibrantaha, perplexed. They are confused. Perplexed, lost. Aneka chitta vibhranta. Aneka chitta vibhranta.
Aneka chitta.
Mohajala.
Mohajala.
Samavritaha. Mohajala.
Mohajala.
Samavritaha. Mohajala samavritaha. So Vrinda, Mukunda, Janvi, Varun, Aditya, Tanvi, Tina Krishna, please be
Which
unmuted.
Vrinda Mataji?
No, the Vrinda Mukunda. Mohajala samavritaha. So jala means network. Like yesterday we discussed, sometimes some people unfortunately they play a game of fishing. They actually go in the water and catch fishes, right? And when fish come out of the water, unfortunately fish die. But then fish is caught in a net. So net is like a very complex network, like how you all have seen spider web, right? Like that. So that's a net.
I didn't saw fiber one.
So yes, so Moha jala. Jala means network and moha means illusion. Samavritaha, surrounded. So these people are bound by a network of illusion, right? That's they are not actually living a real life. They are living in illusion.
You put the
Yeah.
fish in a bowl of water, then he will swim.
Yes, if you put the fish back in the bowl of water, it will swim. Yes, that is right. Moha jala samavritaha. Aneka chitta vibhranta. Moha jala samavritaha. Prahlad, Raghav, loudly. Mathili, loudly. Soumya, loudly, beta. Prasapta. Kama bhogeshu. Prasaptaha 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 kama bhogeshu. Prasapta means what? Prasapta means attached to what? Kama bhogeshu, right? To sense gratification. I want to enjoy my tongue. I want to enjoy all my senses. I want to sit for many hours and watch movies and different things. There are so many ways one can satisfy their senses. So this kind of person is used to attach to sense enjoyment. Just enjoy our senses. Okay, then comes patanti narake shuchau. So it's actually a shuchau. Do you all see the apostrophe before S?
Yes.
Yes. So do you remember we all discussed shuchi, shuchau? Shuchau means what? Shuchau means what?
Cleanliness.
Cleanliness. Yes. And this is what? A shuchau. A shuchau means what? Not clean, dirty, nasty. Not clean. Yes. Patanti narake. Now what is narake? Leave it. I got it. Narake. Now what is narake?
Hell.
Yes. So patanti means they glide down. Do you all go and slide in the park? Do you all go slide in the park? When you sit on the slide, can you sit there for 10-15 minutes on the slide? Yes. Once you start, what happens? You glide down.
Yeah,
right?
but if you sit at the top, you don't glide down.
Top, right? We are not at the top. So patanti means glide down. Where? Into hell. Unclean, right?
Royal road to hell.
Yes. So patanti narake shuchau. Patanti narake shuchau. Balavinda, very good. Patanti narake shuchau. Patanti narake shuchau. Patanti narake shuchau. Very good. Anek chitta chitta vibhranta. Moha jala samavritah. Prasaktaः kama bhogeshu. Patanti narakeshu chau. Anek chitta vibhranta. Moha jala samavritah. Prasaktaः kama bhogeshu. Patanti narakeshu chau. Chalo, everybody ready for repetition quickly? Okay, yeah. And then our games, fancy dress, and cooking, everything is coming up next week, okay? Okay, not paneer, cheesecake. Come on, let's start. Everybody, 1, 2. He's too small to sit in the class, but he still sit down. So
He has learned how many slokas? 13,
6
14.
shlokas.
No, he has learned 13, 14 slokas.
Yes, 6
right?
shlokas from this chapter. So he's also coming with you all in the race, okay? Watch out. Okay. Let's start. Verse number 15. 1, 2. Okay. Did everybody get their glasses on? Listening ears on? Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. A frog voice on?
No.
Yeah. At night, do you all crickets and frogs? Repeat, right? Yeah. So everybody start. Okay, then snake will come. Snake will come if you all don't stop. You know that? You know what Srila Prabhupada says? Srila Prabhupada says that when we do not use our voice to glorify Krishna and speak about Krishna, we become a frog. And then when frog make too much noise, the toad, then what happens? The snake comes and eats. So that's why we should not do too much repeat. But when we do shlokas repeat, it's okay. So let's everybody start. 1, 2. Because we are speaking the song of God, right? Krishna.
We're doing the song of God.
Yes, that is perfect. Okay, so we can pretend for some time to become frogs. Okay. So let's start. 1, 2, 3. One, two, three. Adyo Punyosti sadrishoya yakshe dasyami bodhisya ityajnana vimohitaha. 1, 2, 3. Adyo vijananasmi punyosti sadrisho maya yakshe dasyami bodhisya ityajnana vimohitaha. Last time. 1, 2, 3. Adyo vijananasmi punyosti sadrisho maya yakshe Very good. So we go for verse number 16. Everybody ready? Go, Ranga. Go, Ranga.
Nityananda.
Gauranga. You have to say Nityananda. Gauranga. Gauranga. Perfect. I see everybody's awake. 1, 2, 3. Aneka chitta vivranta. Bhojana bhogeshu patanti narakeshu.
Why? Tell me that.
Sanvi, the microphone is too close to your mouth. Then what happens? I cannot hear others. I can hear only you. Little away. Perfect. Thank you. 1, 2, 3.
Sky.
Aneka chitta vivranta. One, two, three. Aneka chitta vivranta. Samamrita. Prasaptaha bhogeshu narakeshu chau. 1, 2, 3. Aneka chitta Good job. Last time, everybody. Loudly. I want to hear Raghav. I want to hear everybody. 1, 2, 3.
Jala Samavita.
Good job. Now I want to talk to you all quickly, okay? Nobody log out. I want to talk to you about fancy dress quickly, okay? Everybody just pay attention. So number 1, wait. Number 1, everybody has to send me their cute voices. Words number 15, 16 separate and 1 to 14 separate. Okay? Everybody has to repeat. No, not now. So everybody has to repeat the shloka 5 times before you all go to your dreamland of ice creams and chocolates. And yes, perfect. Okay, now fancy dress. There are a lot of shlokas and there are first 26 divine qualities. Today,
wait, we're doing another fancy dress competition?
yeah, I want to see you all nicely dressed up. So that's why.
When is it? When is it? Mataji, when is it? Next week.
Next week. I haven't decided the day yet, but most probably before the weekend. So most probably, not sure, but I will post soon when.
You can do a calc.
But we all need to. Okay, I am going to write down the divine qualities and demoniac qualities in WhatsApp group. You all have to pick one. Suppose one child pick up Satyam. The second child cannot pick up Satyam. Second child has to pick up maybe
Different one.
maybe Sattva Samshuddhi. Or the third child can pick up Abhayam. But you all know 2 children can repeat. And another thing, everybody can sit down and discuss with parents. I can also write down certain characters in the WhatsApp group. Everybody can sit down, discuss with their parents what character they want to take, who has that particular quality. So I give you one example. Wait, beta. I'll take your question. Wait. So let's take an example. Yes, and then few kids are going to take up to the demoniac qualities too. Okay. Not everybody is going to become a devotee. Okay. So we are pretending, right? We are not, just because we dress up as demon does not make us demon, right? Right. So few kids can take demoniac qualities also. So let's take an example. Prahalad Maharaj, right? So Prahalad Maharaj was an example of tolerance, patience, bhakti. Yes, fearlessness. Yes. Satyam, like example can be Yudhishthir Maharaj. Truthfulness. Of course, there are more qualities also. in these characters. It's not only one. There are more qualities also, but you can pick one quality and you can pick your character. So you have almost 4 or 5 days, at least 3 or 4 days to think and discuss with your parents what character you all want to pick. And of course, demoniac examples, there are so many, right? Hiranyakashipu, Ravan, Kamsa.
Yeah.
Of course, there can be Agasura, Bakasura. Somebody can dress up even as Bakasura, right? Yeah. So you all can, like anybody. There are so many demoniac characters in the Krishna Leela. There are so many divine characteristics in the Srimad Bhagavatam. Of course, Chaitanya Charitamrita too. So you all sit down, discuss, but everybody has to write down their name in front of the quality. I'll hopefully today or tomorrow, I'll write down all the qualities in the WhatsApp, and everybody has to pick one quality. Like let's take an example that Krishna Darvish, he wants to become Yudhishthir Maharaj. So he has to write his name in front of Satyam. So he's going to depict the quality of Satyam, Yudhishthir Maharaj. Did you all understand?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
Mataji.
Yes,
So like, can you because we might forget, right? So can you just send the directions in the WhatsApp group again?
Yes, I will. I'm going to send it. Maybe by tomorrow, I'll send it.
Mataji,
Yes.
this is Krishna. Mataji, I have a question. Do
Yes.
we have to write in the WhatsApp group who we are?
Yes, you have to write the quality. What quality you're going to show.
I'm gonna think right now.
I will send the message, and hopefully all the parents will write their quality. And of course, you all can pick up the
Which
demoniac
quality are
characters
we
too.
gonna do, Mataji?
Huh?
Which quality are we gonna do?
You sit down with your mommy and discuss what quality you want to do.
I understood Mataji.
What quality?
But that's why he was not listening.
Mataji,
Yes.
can I pick up Daya?
Yeah, I mean, you all can pick up any quality, but you have to dress up in that character. So that is the fancy dress, okay? You all have to pick up the character, like Prahalad Maharaj, or maybe Amrish Maharaj, or maybe different. You know, Bhagavatam has so many examples, so many characters, so many devotees of the Lord, right? The ladies can also, I mean, not the ladies, sorry, girls can also depict the girly characters also, or guys characters also. Okay, so I'll see you all directly on Sunday, and we do not have the shloka class tomorrow, but we definitely have a japa class tomorrow. Okay, so I'll see you all on Sunday, and I'll definitely miss you all. So take care, everybody. Love you all.
Bye, Mataji.
Hare Krishna. Bye, beta.
Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you, Mataji, for joining. Thank you for your association. Hari Bol. You have to write your characters also in the Google, in the WhatsApp. Yes. Hare Krishna. Varun, I know you're sending your recordings every day so wonderfully. It is so amazing to hear you. So Varun, please keep sending. Okay, beta?
Can I be Chaitanya Mahaprabhu?
Thank you, Varun.
Can I be Chaitanya Mahaprabhu who is giving